Good morning, students. This is the video of class 7 subject science. So, without any wasting time, just I would like to start our chapter, that means the chapter number 5, acid, bases, and salts. As we were continuing with our that means the acid part is also completed, the base part is also completed. That means we had read about the properties. Now, here we will see that means the test, how we can test that this is the acid, this is the base. How can we identify that this food is having the acid or this food is having the base? So by studying over this part we can identify that yes, this is the acid and this is the base. So that means there is a thing, a chemical or that is known as acid base indicator. That means there are some indicators that are found in the nature, that we can say they are the indicators. That means they will indicate that it is a base or it is acid. That means by changing the color it will just show us. Now how? Just like the examples are given, turmeric, china rose petals, litmus, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicator. That means turmeric, what we use, that means while we cook food, that means it is present in everybody's kitchen. So the one natural acid base indicator are present in our kitchen. Now litmus is obtained from the lichens. So what is this lichen? So in this diagram you can see that means natural occurring, that means they are found in the plant. Lichens are the found in the plant. It is the most commonly used acid base indicator. Now litmus paper is found either in red or in blue. That means maybe you have seen the litmus paper in the laboratory. So the one which is blue, if you dip this, and that means in the acid it will turn into a red. Or if you are having the blue, that means the red litmus paper, and if you dip this litmus paper into the base, so it will convert into the blue. So this is the function of the litmus paper. That means in the acidic solution it will turn into red, in the basic solution it will turn into blue. Now there are two types of indicator that are commonly found. First one is natural, second one is the artificial. Now what is this natural, what is this artificial? Now let's read the natural indicator first, and then we will move to the artificial indicator. In the case of natural indicator, we are getting that what is natural, there are some indicator that is present in the nature. That means we don't have to prepare it, we will get it from the lab of the nature. So we are having a turmeric powder, china rose petals. Now the if you see the china rose, the green petals that are just in the below side, they are known as the petals. From that one we can easily prepare the indicator, and from the turmeric. Now in the turmeric it is written, it can be used as an indicator for identifying base and acid. Turmeric turns the yellow to reddish if it is in basic, and it will remain yellow if it is in acidic medium. That means the reddish show the base and yellow shows the acidic medium, or it will also show the neutral medium. So let's perform an activity to see this one. So we are having the experiment over here. Now what is done over here, just I'm telling in shortcut. They have taken turmeric powder. Now in the turmeric powder they have added some water so that they can make a very good paste. Now on that paste what they have done, they have just that means given a drop of soap. Now what is this soap? Soap contains the, they are slippery, so they contains the base. So when the base is dipped over here, so what will happen, what I have told you, they will turn into reddish. and if we just add the acid, so there will be no change in the color. Now here it is written about the China rose. So the experiment is also given. So if we just make a paste of 5 to 6 leaves of the China rose petals, and if we make a liquid, so what will happen if that means if a base is given here, so this color, this paste will change into green. We can see here that it is changing into green. That means if the medium is basic, so it will change into green. If there is a acid, then it will be dark pink. If it will be acid, then it will be dark pink. And if it is neutral, then it will be light pink, the watery pink. So from here we have got our answers. That means if you are not having the litmus paper or that means methyl orange, so you can prepare the natural indicator in your home only by the help of the turmeric or by the help of the China rose petals. Now the next thing we are having the synthetic indicator. We have got here in the natural indicator, in the natural we have got the China rose petal. This is the first one, and the other one is turmeric. Okay, now we are having the synthetic indicator. The most commonly synthetic indicator are phenolphthalein. This is the phenolphthalein, and the methyl oranges. The methyl orange and the phenolphthalein is the synthetic indicator that are prepared in the laboratory. So they are known as the synthetic. That means they are man-made. Now there is also a property of this indicators. So here phenolphthalein turns red or pink when it is dipped into the blue solution. Remember, they will turn into red or pink in the basic. See here they are showing the red and pink in the case of basic, but here only in this case when they are giving the pink when they are in acidic medium, but in the synthetic indicator we are getting the pink in the case of basic solution. Now the colorless in acidic solution, they will not show any color in the case of acidic solution. Now methyl orange turns pinks in the acidic solution and yellow in the basic solution. So you have seen the natural and the synthetic indicator over here. Next thing